Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to stop YouTube videos from playing while scrolling. So now without any further delay, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch YouTube application on your mobile device. Now, once you are here, at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see a circle icon that says You with your profile picture on it. Tap on that option. Now, once you are here on this page, just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, once you are here on the settings page, just simply tap on General at the top. Now, once you are here on this page, simply tap on Playback in Feeds option. Now, you can see that the option for playback in feeds is tapped on Always On. Now, simply put this option on Off. So, by doing these easy steps, your videos on YouTube won't be played automatically while scrolling from now on. So, this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.